Alright guys, back for the second video of the day with another Steelbook. This one should have come out last week. Really excited for this. I've had this pre-order since January, February time. And it is Disney's Finding Nemo. That looks really nice. I can't rip it, hold on. I'll have to use the teeth. So that's debossed and embossed as well. That is so smart. Just take the paper off. It's got loads of glue. It's really nice. Disney Rewards. The inside. I think these were limited. You haven't been able to pre-order these for months. So I think if you haven't pre-ordered it, you're going to have to pay a fair bit of money to get it. Hey guys, that's Finding Nemo. That's so nice. Right, please comment, rate, subscribe guys, bye.